Hi everyone! Today, samahan niyo ako as I visit some of the most important historical places here in the Philippines, the National Museum and the Luneta Park. Habang ina-explore natin ang mga lugar na ito, pag-usapan din natin kung bakit sila historically significant sa ating bansa. Tara, samahan niyo ako. First stop natin is the National Museum of the Philippines. This place preserves artifacts, artworks, and historical records that tell the story of the Filipino people. Dito natin mas maintindihan kung paano nagsimula at nagbago ang ating bansa through different periods of history. Bago dumating ang mga mananahop, may sarili nilang kultura at sistema ang mga sinaunang Pilipino. During the pre-colonial period, Filipinos already had trade relations with China, India, and nearby Southeast Asian countries. Makikita sa museum ang mga ancient jars, gold ornaments, and tools na nagpapatunay na maunlad na ang pamumuhay noon. Noong 1521, dumating si Ferdinand Magellan sa Pilipinas. This marked the beginning of Spanish influence in the country. Eventually, Spain colonized the Philippines for more than 300 years. During this time, Christianity spread. Towns and churches were built, and many Filipino traditions were influenced by Spanish culture. Some exhibits here show religious artifacts, colonial paintings, and documents from the Spanish era. After Spain, the Americans took control of the Philippines in 1898. They introduced public education, transportation systems, and democratic institutions. During World War II, the Japanese occupied the Philippines from 1942 to 1945. Many Filipinos suffered during the war, but it also strengthened the fight for freedom. Artifacts and photographs in the museum help us understand how Filipinos survived and resisted during these difficult times. Did you know that the famous painting Spoliarium by Juan Luna is displayed here in the National Museum? It became a symbol of the struggles Filipinos experienced during Spanish colonization. The museum also helps us remember the leaders who shaped the nation. Our final stop is Luneta Park, also known as Rizal Park. It's one of the most famous historical landmarks here in the Philippines. It's dedicated to Dr. Jose Rizal, the country's national hero. Dr. Jose Rizal became a symbol of peaceful reform and nationalism during the Spanish colonization. Through his novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, he exposed the abuses of the Spanish government and inspired Filipinos to fight for change. He was executed here in Luneta on December 30, 1896. Rizal's legacy continues today because he showed that education, courage, and love for country can inspire an entire nation. His writings awakened Filipino nationalism and influenced future revolutionaries. Did you know the Rizal Monument is guarded 24/7 by ceremonial guards, and it is considered one of the most important monuments in the country? During the American occupation, Luneta became an important public space for national events and important celebrations. Today, Rizal Park remains a symbol of Filipino identity, freedom, and patriotism. Through these places, mas nakita natin kung paano nabuo ang kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, from the pre-colonial period, colonization, revolutions, hanggang sa modern nation that we know today. These historical sites reminds us of the sacrifices, struggles, and achievements of Filipino throughout history. Thank you for joining me on this historical journey. See you on our next vlog!